Have you ever wondered if your job will be replaced by a robot? That's the question on many minds as we delve into the AI revolution. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, has been nothing short of astounding. It's transforming the way we work, play, and interact with the world around us. But with the excitement comes a dose of apprehension. AI is increasingly taking on tasks that were once the domain of humans. From diagnosing medical conditions to driving cars, from manufacturing goods to managing financial portfolios, AI is making its presence felt across various industries. And yes, it's true that some jobs are more vulnerable to automation than others. If your work involves repetitive tasks or crunching vast amounts of data, there's a good chance that an AI could potentially do it faster and more accurately. This reality has sparked fears about job displacement on a massive scale. There's talk of a future where humans are sidelined, where our skills and experience are rendered obsolete by machines that never tire, never make mistakes, and never ask for a pay raise. The headlines scream of a coming robot apocalypse, a world where humans are out of work and out of options. But here's the thing. While it's natural to be concerned, it's also important to keep things in perspective. The AI revolution isn't about replacing humans. It's about augmenting our skills. It's about leveraging the strengths of AI to free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on the things that machines can't do. It's about collaboration, not competition. AI might be able to analyze data at lightning speed, but it can't replicate the human touch. It can't negotiate a business deal, comfort a grieving patient, or create a work of art. It can't empathize, innovate, or think outside the box. These are distinctly human abilities, and they're not going anywhere. So, before you pack up your desk in fear of a robot takeover, remember this. The AI revolution is not a threat, but an opportunity. An opportunity for us to evolve, to learn new skills, and to create a future where humans and AI work together for the greater good. Sure, AI can crunch numbers and analyze data, but can it brainstorm an innovative idea or empathize with a customer's needs? The answer is a resounding no. Herein lies the human edge. We possess a set of skills that, at least for now, remain uniquely ours. Creativity is the first among them. No matter how advanced AI becomes, it lacks the ability to truly create. It can mimic, it can generate based on patterns, but it cannot come up with an original thought, a groundbreaking concept, or a novel idea. It's us, humans, who can dream up the next big thing, be it in technology, art, business, or any other field. Next comes critical thinking. Sure, an AI can process information faster than any human brain, but it's our ability to think critically, to question, to analyze from different angles that sets us apart. We can see beyond the data, understand context, and make decisions based on a wide range of factors, including our past experiences and future projections. Then there's problem solving. AI is great at solving problems with defined parameters, but what about the gray areas? The complex situations that don't have a clear right or wrong answer? That's where our human problem-solving skills shine. We can navigate ambiguity, consider ethical implications, and arrive at solutions that balance various conflicting interests. Lastly, we have empathy, a trait intrinsically tied to our humanity. We can understand and share the feelings of others, an ability that AI, at best, can simulate but never truly possess. This makes us invaluable in roles that require a deep understanding of human emotions, needs, and motivations. So, while AI can handle the repetitive tasks, the human touch remains irreplaceable. Our creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving, and empathy are not just valuable, they are essential in the modern workplace. They allow us to bring something unique to the table, something that AI cannot replicate. In the face of automation and AI, these skills are our most potent tools and our greatest advantage. They are our human edge. Feeling a bit more at ease? Good. Now let's talk about how you can stay relevant in this AI-driven world. In the face of rapid technological advancements, reskilling emerges as a beacon of hope. It's not about outsmarting the machines or becoming a tech guru overnight. It's about adapting to the changing landscape, transforming the threat of AI into an opportunity for growth. So, what does reskilling entail? It's the process of learning new skills or training in a new area to keep up with industry changes. Think of it as a personal upgrade, much like how we update our devices. But instead of adding new features or fixing bugs, we're adding to our skill set and fixing gaps in our knowledge. Now you might be thinking, reskilling sounds like a lot of work. Do I need to go back to school? Not necessarily. There are numerous ways to reskill without stepping foot in a traditional classroom. First up, we have micro-learning. These are short online courses designed to teach specific skills. Whether you want to understand the basics of coding, get a grip on data visualization, or master digital marketing, there's likely a micro-learning course for it. And the best part? You can learn at your own pace, from the comfort of your home. Next, consider boot camps. These are intensive, focused programs that equip you with in-demand skills. They're a bit more of a commitment than micro-learning, but they offer a deep dive into subjects like UI/UX design, full-stack development, or machine learning. Boot camps are designed to get you job-ready, fast. Last but not least, there's upskilling within your company. Many employers are recognizing the value of continuous learning and are offering training opportunities to their employees. So, don't be shy. Talk to your HR department about what's available. Remember, reskilling is a journey, not a destination. It's not about mastering every new technology or trend that comes your way. Instead, it's about cultivating a mindset of lifelong learning. Embrace curiosity. Don't shy away from asking questions or seeking out new information. Be open to change. The world is evolving, and so should we. And most importantly, don't fear failure. It's through experimentation and making mistakes that we truly learn and grow. So as we navigate this brave new world of AI and automation, keep this in mind. It's not the robots we should be worried about. It's our ability to adapt, to learn, and to evolve that will determine our future. Remember, reskilling isn't about cramming new information, but nurturing a growth mindset. Stay curious, be open to change, and don't fear experimentation. Now that we've demystified AI and its impact on jobs, it's time to look ahead. We've explored the reality of artificial intelligence in our daily lives and workplaces. We've highlighted the unique strengths that we, as humans, bring to the table. And we've delved into the importance of reskilling and continuous learning in this fast-paced, tech-driven world. So, what's next? How do we harness the opportunities that AI brings rather than succumbing to the threats it poses? The answer lies in embracing the future with open arms and a resilient mind. Yes, the AI revolution is here, and it's changing the way we live and work. But remember, change is not always a bad thing. It's a catalyst for growth, a chance to break out of our comfort zones and reach for new heights. It's an invitation to innovate, to create, and to redefine what's possible. Artificial intelligence is not our adversary. It's a tool, a powerful ally that can help us become more efficient, more insightful, and more impactful in our roles. It's a stepping stone to a future where mundane tasks are automated, freeing us up to focus on what we do best, being human. Our creativity, our empathy, our ability to think outside the box, these are the traits that AI can't replicate. These are the qualities that will continue to define our value in the workplace, no matter how advanced technology becomes. And let's not forget the power of continuous learning. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the ability to adapt and acquire new skills is more critical than ever. Whether it's through micro-learning, boot camps, or upskilling within your company, investing in your growth is a surefire way to stay relevant and competitive. But it's not just about learning new things. It's about fostering a mindset of curiosity and openness to change. It's about being willing to experiment, to fail, and to learn from our mistakes. It's about understanding that growth is a journey, not a destination. So as we stand on the brink of this exciting new era, let's not lose sight of our greatest asset, our human potential. Let's leverage our unique skills, harness the power of AI, and commit to lifelong learning. Let's embrace the future with optimism and resilience, ready to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. The AI revolution is here, but it's not a disaster movie. It's a chance to grow, to evolve, and to thrive. Remember, the future belongs to those who adapt. So, are you ready to embrace the future and become a part of the AI revolution? The choice is yours. Moving forward, it's important to remember that we're all in this together. So, let's hear from you. What are your thoughts on AI and the future of jobs? Do you see it as a threat or an opportunity? Maybe you have some insights or experiences to share. Drop your comments below and let's start a conversation. We value your opinions and look forward to hearing your unique perspectives. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. By joining our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of resources designed to help you navigate the AI revolution and embrace the future with confidence. Remember, the future is not a distant reality. It's happening right here, right now. And the more we learn, the better equipped we'll be to adapt and thrive in this exciting new era. So, let's continue the journey together, learning, growing, and shaping the future. The AI revolution is here, but it's not a disaster movie. It's a chance to grow, to evolve, and to thrive. The future belongs to those who adapt. So, are you ready to embrace the future and become a part of the AI revolution? The choice is yours.